Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the interface or display language on Adobe Bridge in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, launch Adobe Bridge and you can do this on your desktop computer through the Adobe Bridge app. You don't need to do this through the web browser. So what you want to do here in the app, click into Edit in the top left and navigate to the Preferences. Here in the Preferences, what you want to do is navigate to the Advanced tab. And here under International, you will see the Language tab. Click into the drop-down menu and select one of the supported languages. I will go with English. And if you change the language, guys, the display or interface language, Adobe Bridge will ask you to relaunch Adobe Bridge by clicking into the Relaunch button. Now I can see only OK because I haven't switched the language. So let me switch to German. And if you click into OK, Adobe Bridge will ask you to relaunch. So do that. And after that, after the restart, Adobe Bridge will be displayed in the given interface language. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.